The flanged washer is a spacer that fits over the gearhead shaft prior to installing the string head adapter. It covers the splines on the gearhead shaft that are used by other attachments and spaces the trimmer head down to the correct alignment with the guard. The most common reason the flanged washer is replaced is that it is lost when the string head adapter is removed. Replacing the flanged washer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spool retainer from the trimmer head. The spool retainer is a reverse thread. With the retainer removed, now I can remove the string head assembly. Now I can remove the string head adapter. I'll place one wrench on the flange above the adapter and a second on the adapter itself. This is also a reverse thread. Now I can install the new flanged washer. Now I'll place the flanged washer onto the spindle, making sure I align the splines. The nut portion of the washer should face out. Now I can install the string head adapter. It just threads onto the spindle. And again, remember, it is a reverse thread. I'll tighten it up with a couple of wrenches. Now I can install the string head assembly. And I'll secure it with the retainer. And now you can replace the flanged washer on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.